Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure AWS Glue workflows for job orchestration and retry step by step clearly. Begin by logging into the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Glue service. In the left-hand menu, select Workflows. Click on the Add Workflow button. Provide a name for your workflow. Include a description to explain its purpose. Choose an IAM role that the workflow will assume for its operations. Click on the Next button to proceed. You will now configure the triggers for your workflow. Select Add Trigger to define how the workflow will initiate. Choose between on-demand or scheduled triggers based on your needs. If you select Scheduled, customize the schedule settings accordingly. Click on Next to proceed to the Tasks section. Here, you can add jobs to your workflow. Select the Add Job option to link an existing AWS Glue job. Choose the job you want to include from the list. You can configure job parameters, including retries and timeout settings. Set the number of retries for the job to handle job failures effectively. Next, if needed, add additional jobs by repeating the previous steps. Once all jobs are included, click on Next to review your workflow. Make sure to double-check all configurations. If everything looks good, click on the Create Workflow button. Your AWS Glue workflow is now created. You can monitor its execution through the AWS Glue console. For troubleshooting, consult CloudWatch logs associated with your jobs. Consider tweaking job settings depending on performance and error rates. Now, you have successfully configured AWS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.